Get Bodhi, hashtag Bodhi CPH.
Have you ever taken the time to sit and watch two birds on a perch, cleaning each other's feathers and nuzzling each other's cheeks? Well, if you're in the way with me, then you know that's love, sweet love, sweet love. Who's that walking on the misty moors, all on his own? It must be Jacob, so good at being alone, an inspiration to us all. He works till the crack of dawn, yes he does. Well, I've always had such an easy way to cry. I don't know why, but I think I must have got it from my mother's eyes. She taught me how to feel the world, not only with my fingers but with my soul. For better or for worse, you know. Well, some places that I've been, they say that when you cry, God is in the room. So if you're in the way with me, then you know that's love, sweet love, sweet love.
All right, we're in A7, guys. Let's play along a bit here. A7. Take it away, everybody. Thank you so much for Harbour Concerts for inviting Rexen and the Human Shields to come and play for you. Thank you so much to all the people up there on the beach who have found their way out to the world's best street and stared out into an eternal nothingness with a small glint of light. Spewing music like the end of the universe, I imagine it might be. And thank you to Bodhi for building such chill and fun and amazing situation where you can actually bring electronics and play a whole band just on batteries. How far have we come? We will sail away now into the darkness. And don't forget, Rexen loves you. Life is meaningless. Trousers, trousers. Thanks for watching, everybody.